today at Tammy's Bar and Grill and Joe's
Bar and Grill.
Bar and Grill.
Joe's Bar and Grill.
We are making Sam the Cooking Guy's andouille jambalaya
Look how good that
with
looks.
crab meat.
Ooh, yeah, look at that. Oh, yeah. Man, I'm getting hungry just smelling that stuff.
I'm browning the rice.
Yeah.
Getting ready to put the Old Bay seasoning in.
Yeah. There she goes. She's cooking away.
And we watched the video on them making it earlier.
Yep.
And we'll put some of this in
Ooh,
here.
what's that?
That's the Old Bay seasoning.
Oh, Old Bay seasoning. That's
ooh,
a new
smell
one.
that.
Oh, yeah, that smells good. Here, you want to see it? Here it is right here. Okay, Old Bay seasoning. Okay.
We have andouille sausage. We have celery, a red pepper, and celery.
Yeah, I usually make
what
these
else?
things less than 50 minutes.
What else have I got?
Celery.
Oh, red onion, celery, the andouille sausage. We're browning the rice. We're getting ready to put in the
Yeah, here we go. We're making some jambalaya.
chicken broth. But now, he didn't put in potatoes or corn, and that's what we're going to do after we put in the juice. So, Joe, would you like to measure me out 2 cups of
Okay.
2 cups of broth into my...
Okay, you got it. Okay. Where's that broth there?
Yeah, here's the measuring cup. And we're going to add these little tiny potatoes.
Okay.
And those mushrooms, and we're going to put this corn in there. And then after all that soaks up into the rice, we'll take it off. By then the little potatoes should be done.
Now you want 2 whole cups?
2 cups. We got 1 cup of rice. We need 2 cups of broth. We're going to open the corn, put it in there so it'll cook. The potatoes.
There's 2 cups. You want that in there now?
Yep.
Okay, there you go. There it is.
Alright.
Yeah. There you go.
Look at that.
Yeah. Oh,
A little
yeah.
steamy on the camera, but hey.
Hey, that's okay.
Alright.
Okay, great.
So,
Oh, you got the juice.
alright, you want to, we'll dump the corn, thing in, that in there.
The crab in. Okay.
No.
Oh, what? Oh, what? What?
Not yet.
Oh, I thought you said. Okay. What do you want?
Put that in later.
Okay.
The potatoes.
Oh, the
Here,
potatoes.
just
Okay.
stick that back
Okay.
over there.
Okay. You mean the mushrooms or the potatoes?
Both of them.
Okay, you want the mushrooms first?
Potatoes.
Okay.
And then the corn.
Okay. Potatoes just like they are?
Yeah.
Okay.
These are little tiny Yukon Gold potatoes.
Yeah, they look delicious. Put them all in there. Okay. Wow, we're making a lot. Okay, great. Okay, then we're going to do the mushrooms.
Put them in there. No, we'll put the corn in next. You'll have to cut it open.
Okay. Now, how do we put this in there?
Just put them in there like they are.
Like they are. Oh, I see. They're like little separate ones. Okay,
Yeah.
great. Okay.
And that way they can steam and get cooked while the rice is cooking. And then we'll put the crab meat and the mushrooms in a few minutes after they cook a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, look at that corn.
It's kind of like a lobster boil or crab boil, but we're going to let that come up to a boil and then turn it down and simmer it for 20 minutes. We'll be back.